Now, today we're going to be doing over 1,000 pound of goat. This
1,000?
is over 1,000 pound of goat. So this is your honey garlic chicken going in the oven right now.
Go on guys, welcome back to Kelvin and Friends Cook Up. Today we're in Toronto, and yes guys, and we're here to check out this restaurant. We're talking about Caribbean cuisine. Yes guys, Caribbean cuisine. So let's go inside and check out and see what they have on the menu. Right now we're here with Courtney, the owner of the Caribbean cuisine jerk. How go on, Courtney?
Blessed the boss.
We come check out and see what you're cooking in the kitchen today.
Okay, all right. Good day. Okay, today we have a huge operation today. Normally some of this stuff is cooked by the other location, transported here, and then we finalize it and then we distribute it across the board. But this is our central point where we cook for all 5 locations and the 2 banquet hall. We also have a banquet hall downstairs. So right now we are going to the kitchen, going to show you our operation. Today we're going to be doing 5 different catering. So we have a funeral in Ajax for 200 guests. We also have another funeral up on Steels Avenue for 150 guests. And right here at the banquet hall, we have 3 different events that will be taking place. A birthday party, another repast, and then we have a wedding that's going to be taking place here. So let's go inside and check out the thing.
Yes.
Inside here, so, is our state-of-the-art facility. Everything range hood. And this is my operation center. So as you can see, we are going on all the caterings that we have to do today. We have staffing and everything that we're going to be doing is inside this room. Let me take you over to our prep area. What we are doing right now, we are sauteing some onion because we are doing curry goat. Now, me as a man, I do my thing differently, you know. We saute everything we do. So this is a curry goat we are organized, right? So you know, back home, we do one thing different here. So you know, we burn with curry, make sure so we don't sick people. So we burn everything, we saute everything, then we organize and we throw it. Now today we're gonna be doing over 1,000 pound of goat. This
1,000?
is over 1,000 pound of goat. This is only gonna be 500 pound and 500 pound of cook at the other location. Because as we say, we have 5 catering plus 3 catering for the banquet hall that we're gonna be doing today alone. Right over here, so we have a pizza going.
So how much pound of rice this can hold?
Well, right now what we are doing, we are cooking for this spot and this spot. So we are going by the trays today because all of this is going to be catering. When we finish cook this pot of rice, we're going to be getting 9 trays. These 5 trays we have here, 9 of those.
Yeah.
And then this spot is going to give you another 6 trays. Because this is only going to put the catering today.
Okay. Rice and peas.
Yes. This is some curry I put in now, and we have measurement for everything.
And the smell of onion and the curry combined together.
Yes, sir.
Look at that, guys.
Some garlic come here and wash us right now, right?
Yes. Okay. So you just a dice up the garlic. So.
Yeah, man. Dice them up and then we crush them.
Yes.
And then we throw them in, you know? You know, some people work with the garlic powder, but I like to work with the natural product, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
They
Straight
get
out
a
the
better
yard.
rich
Flavor. Yes.
flavor. Okay.
Morning, young lady.
Morning. Nice. Look at that.
Nobody can cry out and really hurt them. So I will make sure you burn for it.
So you burn the color.
Yes, man. Just hide you with the thing.
So you have, what you have here, so now,
As
chef?
Mr. My boss, we're going natural all the way.
Yes.
So I'm going to crush some tomato seed right now.
So when you crush it, you get the flavor out
Yes.
more.
Flavor with it all the way.
Okay. See that, guys?
At the other location, we have a grinding machine that grinds this. This
Okay.
location we just open up in 3 months, so certain things not coming to this location as yet. But we're looking into all the machine, everything to make our job much easier.
Yes.
Now, look at us. What I'm doing right now, I want to make sure that the seasoning marinate in the food properly before we add some water so we can start to cook with it, alright? So we're rubbing the thing nicely. Look at that.
How much pound of curry goat you say this is?
Right now we have 200 pound right here.
200 pound?
200 pound. We have another 200 pound being cooked, and once it's come off, we have to go back down again. Because this section, this aspect, we have to leave here by 10 o'clock.
Yes.
Right? So by 10 o'clock, Ajax,
Yes.
we have to push that out. So we have to go cook more curry goat again at the other location and at this location. Alright? So we're just getting started.
Guys, look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow.
This is only 200 pound right now.
200 pound of
200
goat.
pound. And the chef that came in this morning, rather they came in last night at 12 by the other location, Finch and Western Road, them already cooked 300 pound already. So that now is being distributed across the restaurants to start the operation. And then this now is just our catering aspect that we are doing.
Okay.
So we allow this to simmer for probably around another 5 minutes, 10 minutes so the seasoning can go inside. And then we're gonna add some more water so we don't burn our product. So we're gonna cover him down, let him simmer, and then we go down the road, alright? So we're gonna come back and show you what's going on later on. So we can't keep this too long this way because it's gonna burn. So we just want our seasoning to go inside our meat, and then we're gonna add more water down. Got it up for a long time, alright? Alright, so we'll start. We're gonna move into phase one of our chicken style now. So this is our jerk chicken. Now, I don't know if you realize, this thing sitting under some serious marination.
Yeah.
To marinate our jerk chicken for 2 days.
2 days.
2 days. So at all time, alright, take a look right over here, sir. So what you see right now, you see the bucket on top? That's jerk chicken. So 1, 2, 3, 4 jerk, and then we'll carry up 4 fried chicken to bring to the other location. So we season everything down here, so marinate it, and then we distribute them to the other locations to make sure that everything stay proper. And all the restaurants are supposed to have the same flavor. That's what we're talking about. So that's marination going on right there.
Yeah.
And that's what we're going to do right now. We'll set up our jerk over here.
Look at that, guys.
a Sasha Lano. Sasha has been around for 15 years with the company.
15
He's
years.
our longest serving employee. Real dedicated, strong man in the business. 15 years. We've been around with Caribbean Queen. Since we started this company, Sasha is one of the foundation builders for this organization.
Alright.
Yes man, Sasha and Sister Kemisha over here. It's been around for a very long time. So here at Caribbean Queen, you know, we practice to always sanitize our place. So as we go by, we will look at bleach and soap water and we are wipe all the way. Make sure the place clean. Keep out fly and road in front of the place. Clean thing we say, understand?
Yes.
So every stage of the way, wait, wipe, we'll make sure that our surface is clean. Because now we're moving into a different era. Every single day at Caribbean Queen, one location, 8 buckets of this.
8 bucket.
8 buckets. And inside this bucket is 1 bag of chicken. So you can 18 kg bag of chicken. Alright, this right now we're looking at around 75 pieces of chicken. Right? And every single day, the Finch and the Western Road location, 8 buckets of this chicken. Because our people in Canada, we love fried chicken. It's like our KFC thing though, we love our thing nice. I marinate nice.
So you already season up the flour
Yeah,
and
man.
everything.
Yes, everything is already seasoned. And we do around, for each one of my, these are the smaller fryers. So each fryer we do around 25 pieces of chicken inside.
25 piece.
25 pieces. We don't overload the thing, you know?
Yeah.
We do 25 pieces of chicken. So let's just drop this one over here. So I'm gonna start with my number 1 fryer. Now you see these 3 fryers right here. We have chicken, and then we have fish. But we keep one thing proper. So one of this fryer is definitely for our fish. Alright?
Okay.
We'll make sure every area of the chicken must be covered by flour. If not, the chicken will burn. You're gonna see some dark spot on it, so every area has to be covered.
Okay.
We'll knock him off nicely.
Yes.
So we're gonna load our fryer with flour. We're gonna drop our chicken right down. Now this was stirring on long before.
Yes.
And so right now we're gonna fry at 300 degrees. Every single night we clean our fryers. We have to rotate this oil like every 3 days because of the amount of chicken we fry inside of it. Cooking is a art, you know, my friend.
Cooking is a art.
Yes, cooking is a art. So if you don't take your time and make sure everything is done properly,
Yes.
the same flavor you're gonna get out of the food.
Yes.
That is the reason why people chop onion, they saute it, they take the time to do what they have to do. These chickens now, we drop them in the fryer, but we try to drop them right across the fryer evenly. Everything on that low water because we want to absorb all the flavor.
Yeah.
Water takes away flavor. And so we want the thing to go down under the low water. Once it comes, then we create the gravy afterwards. Look at the thing. Going down the road nicely.
Nice.
So right now we're going to do some julienne carrot. That butter here going off right now. One set of chicken was inside here for already 50 minutes. So it's close to an hour. So that's why you hear that buzzer going off. So right now my second is going to check to see if those chicken are ready. If not, we'll give it another 10 minutes. So that's why you have that buzzer going off right now.
So this is why you're making yourself.
We're going to do some steamed vegetables.
Some steamed vegetables.
Yes.
Okay.
doing my steam veg, I'm gonna give you half moon style, you know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a dice. I'm gonna give it half moon. So the onion stands up in my steamed vegetable. Just like how we do our escovitch fish.
Yeah.
Again, everything down here is done by marination. I want everything to be marinated and sauteed.
Yeah.
That will bring out the flavor in the product. A little touch of vegetable oil and allow our thing to go on saute. Alright. 300 degrees Celsius. Come back. Put your finger in that highly fried your kind of chicken.
So it's like that. Look how the chicken is looking more brown and right. Look at that. Look at that.
Right now we are getting ready to do our rice and peas.
Yes.
As we say, onion, flavor machine.
Yes.
We are throwing the onion, make it boil out and give them a flavor. Coconut cream and with garlic and thyme and the whole works. Right, this side of our pot. Let's go wash our cabbage nicely.
Add some mixed veg to it.
Yeah man, yeah man. The thing of a pretty out on the steam table there.
Yeah.
Yeah man. Customers eat with their eyes, man. You can't cut the cabbage too small. Like when you're doing coleslaw, you have to dice it a particular way. Dice it up very small and we enhance the rice and peas. After 25 minutes, 25 minutes, chicken is now ready.
25 minutes.
25 minutes, yes. Look at this.
Nice brown. Golden brown.
Golden.
Right, look at that.
coming from this thing.
Yeah, man.
Very nice.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Some nice steamed vegetables.
This is one of our fastest seller.
This one?
Is right here, yeah man. This will be gone by 10 o'clock. This is done. Yeah. Nothing else to wait. Wring the pot dry.
Yes. Smelling real good.
Ramen is
Ram good.
Yes, man. Ketchup.
Nice. Reason why you do that?
Yeah, but so we're cutting on the cutting board in a move.
Okay.
You know, I teach my guy them all the time. Make sure you put a wet piece of material underneath the cutting board so it doesn't move. And we try to prevent accidents at all costs in this restaurant.
Yes.
So we're getting ready for our barbecue chicken right now.
Barbecue
fry. Yes, sir.
Barbecue fry.
Barbecue fry. Come on. Sasha, the white rice inside the pot? Yes, it's the barbecue fry. So we're going to put it in the oven now and we'll get it ready. So barbecue fry. So this pot of rice here can feed 200 people. 200 people. This pot of rice. Attention.
Yeah, you can smell it too. You can smell it real rambo.
Really rambo. Nothing other than real rambo. Still in the pot. son, make you one more train up, please. So now we're getting ready to put out.
Okay. So our barbie fry.
Yes.
Yes guys, so look at the barbie fry here. Nice and juicy, you know?
Luscious.
Yeah man. Look at that.
Prepping fruits, vegetables for our catering aspect. So this is a whole different operation you're about to see over here. This is going outside now. So what these lovely people are doing now is just prepping the fruits, putting some peppers to do their salad and their dessert station. All right. Talking about curry chickpeas right here. Potatoes going down the road. So this is now your honey garlic.
Honey garlic.
Honey garlic chicken, yes.
Right, look at that. Honey garlic chicken.
Honey garlic chicken. Remember, you know, we do around 9 different chicken. Big, so we cut them. This is your honey garlic chicken going in the oven right now.
Ready to serve.
It's the honey garlic chicken ready. how we do it at Caribbean Queen.
Well, you said this is how we do
This
it.
is how we do it. We don't paint, we don't do nothing, man. Straight flavor. Right from the grill. Yes. Straight to your dish. Yeah, man. Go over here now, organize it yourself. One of us this jerk. Look at this. Look at this. That's why we name Caribbean Queen jerk.
Get some good jerk chicken.
Yes, man.
See that, guys? Jerk chicken right here. Look at that, guys.
So watch this now. Right now we quote 90%.
90%.
90%. So we have the nuts again. Flavor we say.
Yeah.
Now we're going to create a gravy. And we finalize now, alright?
Finalize it.
Yes, sir.
Guys.
Everything going in. Lime going in, butter going in, everything going in right now. Boss, you smell the good, boss.
Smell it, man.
Smell
Really
it,
wrong good.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes. 200 pound.
200 pounds. Small amount.
Small amount.
Small amount. And we're going to go for some more big amounts today again. Succulent.
Succulent.
Succulent, boss. Very nice.
Yeah, man.
this right here feeds 200 people. So this is one funeral, 200 guests. Right here. So what happened, this goat in this bucket here was cooked at the other location, and we bring it down now to make up the remainder that we have. Because we can't cook the amount that we need to turn over. Remember, we're going for 1,000 pound of goat. This location can't cook that.
1,000 pound of goat?
Yes, man. Today, 1,000 pound. No joke. This restaurant can't do that amount, and so we're doing half up here, half down here. Alright? Alright, nice. So now we're gonna take out the first set of rice for our catering. So we need 5 trays. This might only give us 3 trays.
Okay.
That's why we have to cook more rice. Right up because it has to feed certain amount of people. I won't tell you how much, but it has to feed certain amount. Alright, boss?
Yeah, man.
Not everything you get know enough. Something you have to figure out.
That's true. Look at it, man. When the scent will come off of it, and you know it's going to see the
aroma, man.
Come off of it. Yes. Here, chef.
This is sweet chili, Caribbean Queen buffet. Yeah, man.
Guys, look on this big pot of rice.
Muscles to move this guy.
Yeah, man.
No joke. Quantity this. The amount in this pot right now doubles the amount that we cooked before. So this can feed 400 guests.
400 guests?
Yes.
Ready to serve.
Sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So we're going to show you the buffet now. How the buffet set up and how it's structured, each item and stuff like that. So take a trip down the memory lane with us. Ackee and saltfish all gone. The only thing that's left is butter pig. This is our carrot porridge, carrot and peanut porridge this morning.
Carrot and peanut porridge.
Yes, sir. Mad.
Nice.
Curry chicken, stew chicken, and we have our provision. We only have boiled dumpling leaf because banana and yam finished.
Yeah.
Today the soup of the day is cow foot and gungo peas.
Okay.
We have some festival over here, fritters over here. And we have like 4 paragon soup, right? So
Yeah.
rice and peas, white rice, or steamed veg. But the one that's not fixed up there,
Yeah.
that's the thing moving out. Then we have our curry chickpeas right here for the vegan, the fried chicken, the honey garlic is right here, the jerk chicken is over there, the sweet chili chicken right here, the barbecue, escovitch fish, famous oxtail, and the magic curry goat that we just licked down a while ago. See him just start to move out right away.
Yeah.
So this is our steam table, and this is just probably 3/4 of our product that we do. Okay, we still have some more stuff that's coming out to elevate to go on top.
Oh,
Alright?
yes.
So we run on down here, man, to 14 broad stock. This is where we are at. Caribbean Queen Buffet. Now Caribbean Queen Event Center.
Alright guys, so you know we're here with Courtney. Yeah man, the owner of the Caribbean Queen.
Yes.
Yeah man. What go on, sir?
Boy, give thanks to our boss.
Yeah man, we see I cook up some storm in the kitchen there.
That's how we have to do it, because the customers demand that, man.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man. The customers demand for us. You see, our operation basically is a 24-hour operation, right?
Yeah.
What you see here this morning is basically the second leg of what has been going on. We have guys that come in 12 o'clock last night by the other location.
Yes.
And then them start to prepare the breakfast and everything. That's why you never see the breakfast item cook here, because this was cooked by the other location and then distributed.
Okay.
That's how we do it to keep the consistency. But everything is cooked fresh every single day at Caribbean Queen Restaurant. That's one of our motto: done right before your eyes and done fresh every day.
And me see you say you have a catering for.
Well, today is one of our busy days. For the last 4 or 5 weekends, we have been having these Saturdays, which I give the Lord thanks. Today we have a funeral for 200 guests. We have another funeral for 150 guests. Right here at the banquet hall, we have a wedding that is going to be 75 people. And then we have a 90th birthday that I'm very intrigued in doing. This person is turning 90 and they choose to come and celebrate that with us at Caribbean Queen. That's 100 guests. Downstairs, right where we are sitting right now, we're going to be having another event down here for 45 people. So when you tally it all up with the restaurant, you're talking about 1,000 people. That's why I said right now we're going to be doing over 1,000 pounds of goat, because we have to distribute and we have to make sure that these events that we go to, them goat taste proper same way.
So how long you been at this location here?
Well, for those of us who know, those of you who know us, Caribbean Queen Buffet has been around for the past 2.5, 3 years. Actually, we opened up the same day in the pandemic when the city was shut down. It's the same day we opened up this location.
Okay.
Now, because of the shutdown and people couldn't come in and dine and all of that, we moved to a thing called a 5-item takeout. So I decided that I would transform the business into a takeout kind of thing in order to survive the pandemic, because this was a dining facility. And so we implemented a thing where the customer can get any 5-item, your rice, vegetable, with any 3 meat kind for a certain sum of money. And then we have that in 2 sizes. Now, we listen to our customers. And some people are saying, oh, why did you cut out the buffet? You know what? Here at Caribbean Queen, the customer drives our business. A lot of customers didn't like the fact that because the pandemic just over, people were, even though they were using gloves to go and serve themselves at the buffet, we got a lot of negative response in regards to that aspect. And so what we did when we opened up this event center now, you still can get your buffet same way. Let me make it absolutely clear. You still can get your meal same way with buying all you can eat same way, but we're gonna serve it as a family style. So what happened, if you come with a party of 10, if you come with a party of 2, 3, and say, look here Courtney, we need a buffet now. We need to sample a little bit of everything you can, you know. You get it family style. So you get your rice in a platter, you get the chicken in a platter, you get your oxtail in a platter, your goat in a platter. Guess what? It's a little bit more costly, but you're getting your family style buffet right on your table, right on your bench. That's how we do it.
Nice, man. And then you said you've been at this location for 3 years.
Yes.
What do you have a next location?
Yeah, man. Those locations, the Finch and Western Road location is our premier spot. Everybody knows this as the 399 takeout. Massive operation going on.
Okay.
Massive. That's where we started in 2008. So for the past 15, 16 years, we have been in business doing this. Now we have expanded to 5 locations across the city. Okay. We have Lawrence and Western Road, 2079 Lawrence, that is, at the corner of Lawrence and Western Road. And then we have down by Jane Street. I don't remember if it's 373 or 391, 393, something like that. Jane Street. It's at Jane and Hannett, so Google it. Jane and Hannett. And then we have Oakwood Avenue at Oakwood and Rogers. Right at the corner of Oakwood and Rogers. Then we have this location now, which, if you realize, we have taken over 3 blocks. So we have 3 different units now that we are doing. So we're running 3 different banquet halls right from this spot. So we can accommodate 300 guests at any given time.
Nice. And you said you've been in the business from 2008?
Yes, it's around 15, 16 years, something like that.
So how is business like from then till now?
Boss, I always say in all things give thanks. And God has kept us and brought us this far by faith. Caribbean Queen Restaurant, for those of you who know Courtney, we has always been giving back to the community. Every single year when it turns October, we give away 2,000 meals. This year, no exception. So we advertise it from now. 2,000 meals will be given away right from this location to the less fortunate. So guess what? I am not saying that you can't compare food, you know, but let we try and put the people them that cannot really afford it. Let me put them first now. And so last year what we did, we got some bus, and we know we had some of our African brothers that came here, and you know, through the asylum or refugee program, whatever it is, the government put some of them in a hotel, and you know, they weren't being fed properly, and pizza and the whole works. What Caribbean Queen did, we partnered with a gentleman called Sankofa, and we got some buses, bus those people to a certain location, and Caribbean Queen fed them for a whole day. We did over 750 meals for that program. And this year will be no exception. We are targeting the shut-in, we are targeting certain aspect of it. So what we do is that, you know somebody that shut in, can't afford it, you come pick up the food, you go deliver the food, make sure them get it the way now. You go deliver the food, and we're good to go.
Nice. Alright, so realize you have a lot of staff working for you, which is good, man. We like that, you know?
And how could we have gotten, I'm glad to touch on the part, because I am a gentleman that may pay, serious emphasis on our staff, because Courtney could never do this by himself. Courtney, Caroline, my wife, Devon, Siobhan. It's a family game, right? So is that my sister-in-law. We couldn't have done this without the staff. And I want the staff to know that we appreciate them 100%. And not only me saying this, the proof is in the pudding. The gentleman we spoke about up there, Sasha, has been with me for 18 years. 90% of my staff is with us for more than 4 years. We have people clapping. Suzette is here with us from the start. She got us our first location, and she's still here with us. And them say, if you're an sister-in-law, can green on my boss, then you're good to go.
That's true. Yeah.
And so I want to say to the staff, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your dedication, your sacrifice, that you have left your family and you come out and you do your thing with us. Day after day, night after night. The night shift comes in religiously every night, 12 o'clock. The afternoon shift, they punch in 11 o'clock at daytime, right back until 11 o'clock at night. They clean, they set the restaurant, they prep it for the morning shift. And the morning shift come, they set the entire thing for the entire day. And so I really, really appreciate you and appreciate your family for the sacrifice that you guys have been doing to make sure that Caribbean Queen banner fly high. And my vision is always, Caribbean Queen is not about me. Caribbean Queen is about the legacy that we can leave behind. Let Caribbean Queen restaurant move to a different generation. Let Caribbean Queen move to, you and I, grandkids and great grandkids and all of that. You understand? It's not about us. We are just doing something right now, and we would like to know that our legacy can live on. I would like to know that the foundation that Courtney have set up, we have donated food left, right, and center. We are in the schools, we are in the nursing homes. Just the other day, you see me setting up a hospital and do my thing. You see me, 2 weeks ago, we were down there on the farm doing the farm workers. We have the entire farm worker program right now through the Jamaican government. We partner with them and we are doing our thing. So I give the Lord thanks that we are able to give back every single day to our community, because the community is what makes us. So I really want to say thanks again to the staff and thanks to the community for your continual generous support to this business.
Nice. And for all the viewers out there watching and they see all of these amazing food that you're cooking up, what you want to tell them?
I want to say, if you haven't tasted a piece of Caribbean Queen, I don't know where you're at. You need to come over and check out Caribbean Queen restaurant. Our motto is done right before your eyes. So you can come, you can see exactly how we do our thing. And you were inside the kitchen this morning, you see, we do everything fresh.
Yes.
From start to finish, every single day.
So, how you get started into the business? What inspire you to open up the restaurant, Caribbean Queen?
Let me just push back, it's going to be short and spicy. Let me just push back a few years. I was in the military. I left Jamaica and came here 1998 after serving 10 years in the JDF. I reached the rank of corporal. I ended up being an instructor. And that was my passion for people. And so I learned a lot of things during my tenure as an instructor. And so when I came, my vision was always a people person. We started out in trucking and we ended up running a lot of trucks. We ended up hiring people because I always try to invest in people. That's me. And so, I got tired of the trucking. I decided I was going to, slow it down a little bit. And so, as I said before, my sister-in-law, she was working at a restaurant up by Finch and Western Road. And she told me that the gentleman was about to sell the business. And I said to her, I'm going to buy it. Never have any experience in cooking, nothing at all. And we bought that business. We hired a cook. Cook came in, he worked with us for around 3 months and he left. He had to move on to other things. And so Courtney took that business from there and we bring it to the level of what we have in it now. We invest, right now we have over 35 employees working for us. As you can see, the kitchen was full of man this morning. Does that mean that Courtney needs everybody to work? No. But when we have the work, we bring in people, we invest in people, and we hope that they would appreciate it. And I can tell you that my staff, they really appreciate what we do. So that is how I get started. And that is my vision, is to continue to invest in people, my friend.
All right, so what's the most selling food you have here? Like what people come down and say, you know what, I have to come a Caribbean Queen for this because you need this because it tastes good.
I understand what you're saying. Boss, let me tell you, I don't. Let me tell you, I don't know. Let me just answer it straight and simple. When I started this business, I think that a restaurant need at least one item that people catch on to. As I said before, there was a certain restaurant that them curry goat, when we come a foreign, them curry goat stand out. There was another restaurant that when we come a foreign, them fried chicken mad. And I said, oh, wow. Those restaurants were known for their fried chicken and their curry goat. Caribbean Queen is known for every living thing, my friend. We sell oxtail. Today we might sell 500 pound of oxtail. Tomorrow we might sell 300 pound. The next day we'll move back to 500 pound. We might do, as I said, the fried chicken, for example. I think that's the most popular one though, the fried chicken, if I should equate it. But again, today I might do 8 bucket of fry. Tomorrow I might do 8 bucket of jerk. So everything sells at Caribbean Queen restaurant. There was a time when my curry chicken and my stew chicken stand up now move and Courtney go in the kitchen and fix it. Right now, we are doing 4 buckets or 4 boxes of curry and stew every single day. We have to cook 4 buckets. Wow. So we move a lot of product and you can't determine which day what is gonna sell. You just have to have it for the customer. Yeah man, that's how it is.
Well, Courtney, thank you for having me in the kitchen to show the whole entire world how you prepare your food, how you cook your food. And people, this is what you call cooking. When you get the fresh cooking, fresh food every day. Show you how you prepare the food in curry goat, as you can see the big pot of curry goat, and the fried chicken, and the jerk chicken, and many more where you don't even see. We cook at the other location.
Yes.
Courtney,
Yes.
thank you for having me in the restaurant.
And
You know?
thanks again for coming and doing this with us. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
All right.
All right, bless.
Yes, sir. There we go. Amazing. So we have on the menu too. We got some rice and peas, curry goat, oxtail, jerk chicken, sweet chili and barbecue chicken with some steamed veg. Straight out of Caribbean Queen Kitchen.
Nice,
Yes, sir.
nice.
Hope
Yeah,
you
man.
enjoy.
Yes.
Good one, Sin. Chef Rajiv. One love.
All right, bless you. Thank you. All right, guys. As you can see, the food right here. Look at it. Yeah, man. Food looks so amazing. Yeah, man. As I'm saying, the food looks so amazing, guys. Trust me. As you can see, we're there in the kitchen all day with the chef, showing you how the chef preparing food. And right now, you know, I have to sample it. I have to taste it to let you guys know how it tastes. And the smell alone from this food when you're cooking it. Trust me, guys. I can't just leave you and not try the food. Oh gosh. Look at this. You have the curry goat here, so mixed veg, barbecue fry. I think this is the honey garlic fried chicken and the jerk chicken, oxtail, and your rice and peas. Oh gosh, right now I'm hungry. Hungry, guys. I'm very hungry. Yeah, as you can see, seeing the chef cooking up all those food, I'm also hungry, man. First thing first, you know. You know me like my curry, so I'm gonna try my goat. Yes, guys, look at this. Nice presentation. I must talk about that all the time. Presentation. Look at this, guys. Presentation. Nice. You know, food smell nice before I even try it. Presentation and the smell alone. Yes. Look at this, guys. Curry goat. Nice. Nice and tender, full of flavor, have the right heat. Yes, guys, look at that. Nice. Get the real ram goat. Yeah, man. Nice flavor, nice texture. Look at this, the rice and peas. As you can see, the big pot of rice and peas. Yes. Nice. Guys, rice and peas, nice. Really good. Goat meat again. See there, guys. A lot of meat. You know, when you go to a restaurant and order a goat meat and you get a pure bone, no. Meat. As you can see, when him did a stir it up with all the meat here, guys, look at this. And it's nice and tender. It's not, look at it, the flavor is just right. What? I must say, A1. Guys, look at that. Guys, I'm on the curry goat and the rice and peas. I'm not want to leave it because the food is so nice. You guys gotta come down here and try it for yourself because the food, look at it, guys. Alright, let me move on to the oxtail and try the oxtail because you know a lot of people go for the oxtail gravy, you know. Look at the oxtail here, guys. Look at this. Look at that. Gosh. Nice texture, nice flavor. Yes, This is how oxtail is supposed to taste. Yeah man, when you eat the oxtail, it really tastes real good. Yeah man, so oxtail for taste man. Guys, when you get oxtail, you have to make the bone look white because the meat. Yeah man, real good. Oxtail nice. The sauce. Man, oxtail tastes real good. Oxtail, A1. A1. So far, the goat and the oxtail is a must. I recommend it, guys. I recommend it. The flavor, well seasoned. It tastes all the spice in it. And the curry goat have a little bit of heat. Oh God. Gosh. It's good. Alright. Move on to them jerk chicken now. As you guys see how they jerk their chicken, they put it in the oven and then they finish it off and they put it on the grill. Oh gosh, you can smell the season from it already. The spice, and it's not dry. Look at it, guys. Look at that. Nice texture. That's what we're talking about. It's a jerk chicken for taste. That's how jerk chicken for taste. Look at this. Guys, look at that. When you get jerk chicken, you're not supposed to dry. Make you want water. No. It's supposed to moist. And give that, still have that. When it's a jerk chicken, it's supposed to have that spice. Supposed to have that heat to it. And which is, this have it. Yeah man. Look at it. Nice and juicy. Well cooked. Well cooked, guys. Man, look at that. Gosh. Jerk chicken tastes nice. So far, what I try, well recommended. Show yourself. See that? Food never tastes so nice. I'm gonna put it one side and trust me. So far, all the food that I tried so far, real good. Tastes real good. And the thing what I like about this jerk chicken is the heat. When you're eating jerk chicken or anything jerk, I think it's supposed to have a little bit of spice to it, which is this have it, you know? Yeah man, nothing overwhelmed like, you know, to make it iron water. No, tastes real good. Just give it that nice heat. Chicken bad. As you see how you need to make the honey garlic. It's been a while I haven't have honey garlic. Yeah man, so let's give it a try. Look at that. As what I say, moist, nice. Yep. I must say this food tastes real good. Alright. Now I'm gonna go to my barbie fry. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, come look closer. Look at this. Look at that. That's my barbie fry. Chef, I know you put in your food, but the food tastes nice. I must say this. All the food that I try, all the meat that I try, everything that I try, I recommend it to everyone. If you're looking for a good spot to get some good jerk chicken, oxtail, curry goat, gosh, you gotta come down here. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna go and enjoy my food, and I must say the food A1, tastes real good, well recommended. Guys, you have to come down here and try their food because the food is amazing. And when time you come down here and try it, I want you guys to leave it in the comment and let me know what you come down here and get. And if you come down here and you like your curry, make sure you try a curry goat. And the jerk chicken tastes real good too. The fry, barbecue fry, and the oxtail. If you're an oxtail lover, you have to. You're gonna enjoy it. You're gonna enjoy it. Yeah man, so food, finish. The food tastes amazing. I'm gonna say the food tastes amazing. Yes guys, and yeah man, and they have so much more different options. What I tried so far, I recommend it to everyone. Yeah man, A1. Well done chef. Yes guys, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, just go and subscribe and make sure you tell a friend and spread the word. Yeah man, because we have a lot more content like this coming your way, where we're bringing the kitchen right to your TV screen, right to your phone screen, right to your tablet, whatever you watch it on. Yeah man, so thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Make sure you like it and leave a comment. If you have a restaurant or anywhere you want to see me go and visit and show you behind the scene, just leave it in the comment. Yeah man, God bless. Peace.